A metaverse is a graphical application that allows its users to game, meet, work, shop, etc. Further, people can enjoy 3D spaces over it. It is the combined mixture of augmented reality, virtual reality, and blockchain. Users can enjoy ultra-fast broadband speeds, the online world, and virtual reality handsets. People can work in a virtual office in Metaverse after work and relax in the gaming section, which is blockchain-based, and they can manage their crypto finances and portfolio inside this application. Metaverse is the least combination of economies, decentralized governance, digital identity, and much more. This all sounds great and amazing, but the important question is, how can you make money in Metaverse? In this video, we are going to tell you about the top 3 ways to make money in the Metaverse. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Now let's get started. 1. Participate and play to earn games. Games like VR poker, esport betting, and others allow users to earn money as they play online games. There are entire companies dedicated to this category, such as Mix, a startup that just raised $25 million USD to drive in-game monetization in the Metaverse. Platforms like Blocktopia will have entire floors or divisions dedicated to play-to-earn gaming. 2. Design 3D accessories for users. Those with some knowledge of 3D design can create accessories for VR gameplay. Metaverse users would want to dress their avatars with accessories like wearables, gadgets, headgear, outfits, or even weapons. One can design and sell these accessories on the marketplace, taking advantage of the design toolkits that most Metaverse platforms provide. 3. Create and monetize VR games. Like 3D accessories, one could design and publish end-to-end games in VR. This does not necessarily require advanced technical skills. People can combine basic storytelling skills with VR design platforms like Horizon Worlds to make money from this source. For example, a VR version of Google's iconic dinosaur game could work equally well for user adoption and monetization. Thank you guys for watching. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.